I think this is a really a good initiative from them because I'm all about going out and working out, and having an outdoor gym is so good. Otherwise you'd be cramped up in a space, but now you can just walk out and have the children play, check on them on the playground, which is, I think, is great.
Outdoor gym and the outdoor kids play area. This has been a collaboration that is quite successful. As you can see, families are out here enjoying themselves, keeping fit, and this is in line really with our vision and what we are passionate about, which is building communities, sustainable communities in Kenya.
Facility that we are now adding to what we This is a facility that we're adding to what we currently have under the Sports for Tattoo umbrella. We have a 5-astrocyde turf and a basketball court. The outdoor gym is now the latest addition to this. Tattoo City is committed to outdoor living and just to health and wellness among our residents, among the community. It's something that we, actively embrace as Tattoo City, right?
Nacio ngucanio cia gikombe gia Carabao ni irathie na mbere utuku wa umuthi. Ngucanio ithathatũ cia raundi ya timu 16 njega igibangwo guthakwo niguo gwetha tigiti wa quarter final. Timu ya Brighton magwitana thithino na Liverpool. Preston manyite ogeni Arsenal. Manchester United nao magukorwo magithaka kana makinyita ogeni Leicester City kiharo-ini kia Old Trafford. Newcastle manyite ogeni Chelsea. Aston